how to check time spent watching YouTube videos. In this quick video, I'll show you how to check how much time you spent watching YouTube videos. All so let's get started. First things first, what you need to do is simply open your settings app. Scroll down a little bit until you find an option called screen time and tap on it. Now, here, what you need to do is simply see all apps and website activity, tap on it. Here, scroll down and you'll find all the options. For example, let's say this is YouTube. As you can see here, I've used YouTube today for 2 minutes, and you can simply find how much time you've spent. Also, you can find all the days like this as well. You can choose which day you want to watch like this, and that's it. That's how you can simply check time spent watching YouTube videos.